morning. My name is Jake Farmer, NATE Certified Service Technician with Lanz Heating and Cooling. Today we're at the Condo Association to do all the air conditioning maintenances in the building. I have a couple here that I wanted to talk to you about to show you what we actually do during an air conditioning maintenance. When we do an AC maintenance, we always go to the furnace first and check and see how everything is working there. We want to have proper airflow, so the first thing we'll do is we'll replace filters and see how they're going. In these particular units right here, the filters are in the furnace, not very accessible to the average homeowner. You have to take the doors off and get in there. We recommend every 30 to 45 days on an air filter. Every home is different, but a good rule of thumb is the 30 to 45 days. So we'll take care of that. After we finish that, we will check over the blower motor and all components to make sure that it's running up to speed and properly. We'll make sure that it's not dirty inside the wheel, because if it is dirty, then we'll start to create our own air paths. Things will start to vibrate, get out of balance, wear out blower motors quicker than they need to be. After all of that is done, then we'll move up here to the evaporator coil. And this is where the air conditioning actually takes place. With this, it gets plugged up just like a filter, except it's not very accessible at all, and it's not replaceable. So what we would do is we'll take a foaming cleanser that is non-toxic and we will spray it in there, get everything to come to the surface, because it is about 3 inches thick and probably covered all the way through. We'll have that come out and we'll clear it, and we'll make sure that we have good airflow there. This is one that is particularly dirty, so we'll want to make sure to correct that. From there, we'll want to clear the condensate drain lines. There's a pan here that collects all of the condensation and it's supposed to go out. Now, typically, it runs through a 3/4 inch PVC pipe. In this instance, this is an older building. They use copper line. This over here actually has a garden hose, which we don't recommend, but we'll be able to clear it all the same. Once the evaporator coil starts to get old, or gets any of this in there, it will start to build up in this drain and not flow properly. We have quite a bit of stuff in here that could easily plug this up, so we'll make sure all of that's taken care of as well. If you don't have this cleared out, then you'll have water on top of your furnace or water infiltrating your home where you don't want it to be. So we need to make sure that that's good and clear. In this model, we had to remove the flue pipe to get in here and take all of this off to access everything. After we've finished with that and we know that airflow is good inside, that is when we'll go outside and we'll look at the condenser, and we'll do quite a few things out there as well. In the next segment, I will show you about all of that.